In this first episode of this vlog series, I set sail solo for the first time, on board the OG of Oasis class cruise ships, Oasis of the Seas. I'll be checking out all of the onboard activities, dining, and entertainment, including what may be the best male vocalist at sea. Watch for the bonus performance of his at the end of this video, and tell me if you agree. You won't want to miss that. Plus, I'll check out some Caribbean destinations and do some exploring along the way. Oh, and in this series, we also find ourselves a hurricane. Okay, so I'm just at a hotel near the Newark airport. Looks like it's about a 30-minute drive to get to Cape Liberty from here. So let's grab an Uber and head over to board Oasis of the Seas. There she is. Okay, Uber got me here. Through security we go. All right, security took about 2 minutes and we're heading on board. Here we go. Okay, that was quick through security, and I'm going to head to my muster station, which is at the theater. So I'm just going to find my way there. The Esplanade is nice and busy, of course, as everybody's heading on board. Let's get this muster over with. Okay, the muster check-in is complete. Just wandered up and down the Esplanade there for a moment, but it is very busy inside because it's raining and nobody can get into the rooms yet, so it's a little packed in there. But I'm just out here on the promenade deck on deck 5, and well, there's nobody here. Thousands of people on board, but nobody found this little spot, so I'm just gonna wander down here. So the Manhattan skyline is right over there, but it is pretty foggy and rainy. So we're actually under a rain warning here and a flood warning. There was some localized street flooding and whatnot on the way here, but that doesn't affect us. All right, cheers to day one on Oasis of the Seas. All cabins are ready, so 10542 is the one I'm looking for. Let's see. 10542 should be right here. Okay, first look. This is a standard balcony cabin here on Oasis of the Seas. We've got the king bed. And here is the good sized desk area with TV, nice sized sofa, and of course the all important balcony. We have 2 chairs and a table. Overall, the cabin is a great size, lots of storage, especially since I will be solo this sailing. Here in the bathroom, it's a standard bathroom here in Oasis with a stand-up shower stall and lots of storage. Okay, it is now just about 3 p.m. Sail away is at 4, so my luggage finally made it to the room. So I'm going to unpack a bit and then we will be ready for sail away. Well, we're just about to sail away and the sun has appeared. With Sail Away underway, the festivities have begun. Let's take in a few minutes of this as we head under the Verrazano Narrows Bridge.
Looks like we have the MSC Mergaviglia following us out of the harbor today.
Well, Sail Away is well underway with lots of activities going on throughout the ship. I just did a little wandering around, but I'm back out here on the balcony. It's lovely and warm and sunny, so we're headed out and we'll see what tonight brings. I think I'm going to stick to the buffet tonight just because of the warning that the dining room host gave me about just how busy they expect the main dining room to be. And then I have a show scheduled for later this evening called Sky, which I have not seen previously, so we'll take that in and we'll see what this evening brings us.
People are starting to gather on the promenade for tonight's Welcome on Board celebrations.
Okay, we have the evening underway. I'm heading off to see the production show tonight, Sky, in the main theater. Let's check it out.
Spoiler alert, as it turns out this is the pre-production version of One Sky. So take in a few minutes of this, but keep watching because we've got the balloon drop next and all kinds happening during our first sea day.
I'm flying
Well, I'm going to wrap up day 1 here on Oasis of the Seas with a few minutes in the schooner bar. But keep watching because tomorrow is our first sea day, and there's a lot of hype about tomorrow's entertainment. Good morning from day 2 here on Oasis of the Seas. Bit of a late start today, but it's sunny and warm, so it's time to go grab some breakfast. And then I'm going to go find a spot to relax for a few hours because it is so nice out, and I don't want to miss out on any of that. And then we have some activities scheduled for this evening. So let's get this day started. Okay, back to the cabin after getting probably too much sun and checking a few things out up on the activity deck. As you may be aware, Oasis of the Seas is one of the largest cruise ships in the world, so I will show you more from all over the ship in upcoming episodes. Lots going on, of course, on a sea day. It is time to get ready for this evening because I have specialty dining tonight at Chops Grill. It's been a bit since I've checked out Chops, so I'm anxious to get back and try it out. In the meantime, a little Starbucks for me, and then we have a few activities planned for this evening. So, time to get ready. And I'm ready to head out. First, I'm going to squeeze in a bit of trivia before heading to Chops. So, let's get this evening started. Okay, just back from Chops Grill. It was great. I didn't make it to trivia because I had my times wrong. My reservation was a little earlier than I thought, but I walked in the room here and my goodness, the sun is shining. Beautiful. Anyway, I have reservations for the headline show tonight, so we'll head to that shortly. Good evening. Still day 2 here on Oasis of the Seas, but what a wonderful evening. First off, specialty dining at Chops. No complaints at all. The food was amazing. Service was great. I know there's been some mixed reviews lately with specialty dining on Royal Caribbean with different, perhaps, cutbacks, changes in serving sizes, etc., but no complaints here whatsoever. Then it was off to the main theater for a guest musical act. Lou Gazzara, I believe is his name. If that's wrong, I'll put it somewhere here. And but perhaps one of the best male vocalists I've seen on a cruise yet. That might be a stretch, but overall, day 2 here on Oasis of the Seas has been great. Nice and relaxing afternoon. Good food, great entertainment. What more can you ask for? What else for tonight? Well, we're starting to feel a bit of the swells that are occurring as a result of Hurricane Lee. Now, we did get an update from the captain today saying that we would be experiencing some 4 to 5 foot seas, nothing to be concerned with, but tomorrow as we leave from Port Canaveral is when he expects we will actually feel the effects of Hurricane Lee, but he's going to leave the specifics of that until tomorrow. A little bit of anticipation as to what that's going to be. All indicators are it's not going to be anything too severe. He said it won't be related to wind or rain or anything. It's likely just increased swells that we'll experience here on the ship. But tomorrow is our first port day. We are arriving in Port Canaveral tomorrow in the afternoon, I think 1:30, and then we're there until I believe 9 p.m. So keep watching for that. And then we are heading to the Bahamas.
So there are some updates coming from the Bahamas, especially in Nassau, that I'm sure some of you will want to see. So be sure to subscribe, like these videos. Until then, we will see you tomorrow in Port Canaveral.
As promised, here's another performance from Lou Gazzara. Or go ahead and watch this video of our recent sailing aboard Celebrity Silhouette through the Norwegian fjords.
Ed il mio bacio ci